Alright y'all, I'm gonna quickly show you how to use Ezviz on your laptop. And to do this, you just need the software. So you just need to go to Ezviz on the web. It's usually ezvizlive.com, but you go in there and here you can navigate to the download, or you can just press Ctrl F and then look for download. And you see here, I've got download right there. So I'm gonna click on download. And here you need to download the software. So I'm gonna download the software. You just click on that, and when that is done, you're gonna have the downloaded file over here. So then you just need to run that by double clicking it and then install. So just say yes to this and install. Mine is already installed, so I'm not gonna install it again, but run through the installation process. After it's installed, it's gonna be in your laptop or PC, whatever it is, and you just run it. There you go. And after you run it, you just need to go to login, type in your login details. Then once you're logged in, you're gonna see your devices and you can just watch your channel. This is one of my cameras, for example, and you're gonna see that it's gonna load and you can watch this on your monitor. And it's as simple as that. So in short, download the software, install it, and then you can run it and log in from there. All right, thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.